It's broken, it's cracked, like the whole trash can is cracked. If it's a raccoon, it's like a 100-pound raccoon or something. I mean, it's gone. We're missing one. That's not a raccoon.
Be like a Sasquatch.
Is it flashing? Oh, it's flashing. We're gonna catch it tonight. Welcome to the next morning, everybody. Tyler's about to run out there for me and get the trail cam. See if we had any activity out there last night. I already went out on the back porch and tried to zoom in with my camera, but there's so many trees I can't really tell. But from what I could see, it doesn't look like any trash cans are knocked over, so that's a bummer. I mean, not that I want something to get into the trash, but I just want to, you know, be able to see what it is. And if it didn't show up last night, we're not going to see anything. But hey, if we see raccoons, then we know it's not the raccoons knocking the trash cans over, if they're not knocked over. I'm making pancakes, and well, I made some bacon, and then I remembered I wanted to make sausage patties, so we have a little bit of bacon, a little bit of sausage. This is us, I think, setting, no, this is Tyler. What is this? This is Tyler going to get the trail cam, and I'm not seeing anything. Something's setting it off, but I don't see anything. Just see the trash can and the trash bin. What? I'm telling y'all, these animals. Okay, here's where we set it up last night. There's Sissy and Jonah. They were making sure it was taking, picking up where they were right then. That was us testing it inside before we took it out. Okay, so we have a very smart animal here. Apparently something on the other side of the trash bin is setting this off, because like nothing's changed. There's nothing on the pictures but the trash can and the pin. But it's picking up past there. We just can't see what it is or something. We are gonna try again tonight. I mean, this is so crazy. Like, for several days straight, trash cans have been knocked over, smashed in, an entire feed bin missing, and right when we get the trail cam set up where I know that it's gonna not get knocked down and take good pictures, nothing. Tyler said it doesn't even look like, you know, anything came there last night. Raccoon, nothing. No trash torn up, no trash cans turned over, nothing. Maybe it is Bigfoot. We know he don't like his picture made. For real, we know it's not Bigfoot, but this actually is the place where people say that they see a lot of Bigfoot sightings. This is what I think it is. Right here. That dude's sleeping. Anyway, the kids are getting ready for school. It's Friday. Wherever you see the white dots, you trace. You do his wings, the rest of his body, but don't draw on your shirt. Do you need a little towel on?
No.
Okay. Hey, I know. Do you want to put a shirt on over this one while you draw?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
Look at me, Sissy. I got one dinosaur on it.
You trace the little, see the little dotted lines? Like, wee, you trace them. Lunchtime. There's noodles, there's sandwiches, there's chicken. It's a find what you want lunch. Everybody's finding different things. Oh, you got the celery? Thank you, sir. Excitement has hit the house. Titus is getting off a little earlier than we thought. Jacob and Tyler are going to be getting something to eat from somewhere out tonight. So the rest of us are going out too as soon as Titus gets here. We're gonna go get something to eat, maybe even go to a couple of stores. I always have to look at these sizes on these, y'all, because everybody's, whose is this? Okay, this is Titus's. Tyler has one that looks almost just like this. There are a few other pizza places not far away that we've never tried yet. We might go to a new pizza place or something.
Pizza.
We in Chicago, y'all. We came to Chicago real quick. We got the best seat in the house. We're over here in the corner. We're in the corner booth at Morelli's. Let's see, appetizers.
I got a menu too.
Yeah. Kids menu. They have kids spaghetti with garlic breadstick. Not bad on the prices either. Just $5 for the kids spaghetti. I'll take a kid spaghetti. Chicken tenders or an 8-inch thin one-topping pizza. I think I might try their lasagna. Oh, look. All pastas include breadsticks and a dinner salad.
Y'all just missed a little dance that Fallon did.
It comes with the
A
salad.
little wiggle.
So we're gonna get the mozzarella sticks for night. This comes with breadstick and a dinner salad. Are we gonna need the appetizer? Yeah, we'll forget the appetizer. The kids are all gonna get a kid pizza. They have calzones too, sandwiches, Philly cheesesteaks, Angus burgers, meatball sandwich, Italian sandwich. You want cheese pizza? Oh, he's gotta look at his menu. Check it out in the menu. First stop, TJ Maxx. Jonah and Cece are going in with me. We'll do TJ Maxx first, then we'll go to Big Lots. Jonah's want to go to Big Lots. They have some cute clips. Also strange. We have some peppers there. That's nice. These are cute. Oh, lots of clearance stuff over here. Let's see, what about those nail files right there? Cece, what's the clearance price on those?
$3.
Lots of hair clips on clearance. Hair brushes. Need a hairbrush. TJ Maxx got them all on clearance. Cece picked one out, I think. Is yours on clearance, Cece? Oh, it's only $3.99 anyway. Miracle Blow Dry Styling Balm. How much is this beauty roller? Y'all, I've never used one of these. I see people using them, but I mean, does it really work? Y'all tell me. Tell me that these little things work. Shower. Oh, look, these are the no heat curler things. They're on clearance for $3. Oh, that's a cute little cherry mug. They have some cups like this. Stanley Copycats, $16.99. Look at this candle, y'all. Oh, there's some Fresh Pick exfoliating berry body scrub. Oh, some of the toys are on clearance too. Oh, what about this cup? Are you on clearance? No. All right, Manly's going in the next one with us. What is this place, Manny?
Big Yachts.
Big Lots. Oh yes, the favorite spot. All under $5. Oh look, they have a rolly thing for under $5. $2.99.
That's a yanked up chicken.
Yeah, I got dinosaur claws. I'm gonna see if they have some more of that shampoo that we got last time. Yeah, I really like this shampoo. This one right here, Agree Pro. It's only $1.99. And a lot of y'all said, I think it was from like the 70s. It works really good. I like the blue one. Y'all, they have some retro things over here. We have the retro pop-up hot dog toaster. Did those really exist? I don't even remember those. I've never even seen them before in my life, but it says that they're retro. They are $24.99. An electric s'mores maker, also $24.99. I think that these are bringing back some sort of memory. I don't know. There's a cotton candy maker, $34.99. Chocolate fondue fountain and a popcorn maker. Cocoa Dunker marshmallows. Kick your hot cocoa game up a few delicious notches with our Cocoa Dunker marshmallows. They're on clearance for $1.11. Oh, these are on clearance for 49 cents right here. These are cute headbands. These are kind of cute. $11.99. All right, next stop, Bell's Outlet. These are cute, but like too little. Too little. This one's also cute. Not as small, but I wish it was the brown color. How much are you? Oh, it's only $11.99. That's speaking. $11.99 is speaking over there at TJ Maxx. They were all like $35 and stuff like that. This is really cute, but it looks like more fall-y, you know? These are cute, y'all. This is a 2-pack for only $9.99. Okay, last stop, Ross. This town has everything. I mean, they even have the Bath and Body Works over there, but we're gonna skip that this time. Lots of Mother's Day gift ideas. Sandal Ready foot care set. I mean, I would like that. Oh, okay. Some slippers and foot scrub and foot lotion for your day and night routine. Nourishing and relaxing body oil set. What is this? Hand lotion. You're the zest mom ever. Sugared citrus scented bar soap. Oh, look, it's a Making Waves waver. I have a wave iron thing. I can never get that thing to do right on my hair. I need to give it another try, but they have these here. Oh, this is marked down to $12.99, a mini curling iron. Here's another waver with a brush. Now, how much is this one? $26.99. I'm sorry, y'all. Ross was not the last stop. The last stop is Dairy Queen. Titus is over here admiring the soap I picked out for him.
Guys, you could bathe for a year on that one. Look at that joker, and I got some big hands. That's at least a 15-pound little deal. Toenail clippers.
I searched the whole house
clippers.
for some today, could not find any, so I bought him a pack and I got a family pack. Well,
What
it
you
comes
do
with
is you hide them from the rest of the world.
comes with a little pouch and everything,
What's
see?
this right here supposed to do? Snip them little nose hairs or something? Little nosy hair. Okay, when you start getting to your 40s, you'll wake up one day and your whole nose hair
Your
just blow out.
mustache, your nose hair
You'll
is
laugh,
connected
and all of
to
a sudden your hair will be able to dust your boots off. Saturday morning now. I just got finished cleaning up the kitchen from breakfast. I just made some sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast burritos this morning. Titus and Tyler had to leave really early. They're going to help somebody with their cattle this morning, and then they have to go and help gather up two that have been out for a long time. Before they left though, Tyler ran out and got the trail cam for me, so we're about to put it in here and see what we got. He said there was a little bit of trash like thrown around everywhere, but no cans knocked over, nothing like that. So, okay, we've got something. We've got something right here, y'all. Oh my goodness, is it a baby bear cub? Is it a bear cub? What? No, there is no way. Okay. It's like he posed for that. So it was a raccoon this time, but y'all, there is no way this little dude right here knocked over and smushed trash cans, broke a trash can, and took a feed bin away. I mean, look at him. Just look at him. I mean, he didn't do that. Look at those eyes. We all know he didn't do that. We're gonna keep this trail cam posted every night because apparently this bear or this Bigfoot or whatever has been MIA the past couple of nights. And so we're just gonna have to keep trying. It'll be back. I mean, it will be back. Whenever we get something besides Raleigh Raccoon here, I'm not sure if that's its name, I just named it that. Whenever we get something besides him, we'll let y'all know. He cute though, ain't he cute, little raccoon? I mean, he need to quit making a mess out there, but he cute. We'll get you next time, Gadget.